So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on to today's video. Today's video is a purchase as always, and I'm really excited to share it with you guys. My name's Simran. If you don't know who I am, welcome to the channel. If you have, say subscribe with me. Thank you so much for sticking with me through my YouTube journey. It means a lot. And for anyone who hasn't subscribed, if you do enjoy the video, could you please perhaps consider subscribing at the end? That would mean like the world to me. So yeah, let's not waste any more time. Let's get into this video. So as you probably know from before, like I do already own a pair of Vejatrainers, and I just love them. And the reason why I feel like I keep on going back to Veja is the thing that really gets to me about this company, which I think is amazing, is the way that their products are actually manufactured. So I have the booklet in front of me, so I'm going to read the notes for you guys. So the Veja sneakers are made in factories located in the state of Rio Grande do Sul in South Brazil, basically. And the company actually provides good working and living conditions, respect of workers' dignity, and I think that is extremely important when it comes to fashion, choosing the correct brand, knowing that you are supporting a brand that is taking care of the people that work for them. As another reason why I'm a fan of Veja is the fact of all the materials that they use. Everything is being so considerate of the environment. Example, the sole is made out of 20 to 30% of wild rubber from the Amazon forest. Rubber tapers are fairly paid. Using wild rubber from the Amazon rainforest increases the economic value of the forest, and it helps fighting against deforestation. I mean, what more would you want? The leather that they use is well sourced leather, low level chemical tanning, respecting the REACH norms, traceable leather that does not come from areas of deforestation. Attention is paid to the use of water during the tanning process. I mean, the list goes on. So every time you do make a purchase, just to make you guys aware, you do receive the actual booklet from Veja itself that gives you like everything that you would like to know about the company itself. So now, trainer time. So yeah, let's get into unboxing the trainers. So here we are. You receive the beautiful Veja box, which I just think is so cool. I love the fact that this is a kind of shoe and box that is sustainable. I think that's another reason why I have decided to continue purchasing from this brand, is the fact that obviously their footwear is sustainable and it's a little bit quirky at the same time and good quality. So as you have probably seen from the last video, if not, like I said, it's linked below. I've the Veja box arrived. Beautiful Veja box. This is the side. This is the actual style of the trainer. So it's the Esplar logo leather, extra white with the contrasting black. The trainer itself comes in the box. I've worn them once so far, so it's more of a reveal, but I'm being honest with you guys. The trainer came in the box, and here they are. Aren't they just beautiful? So last time I went with the all white, well, it's like more of a natural white. I went with the all white, but this time I decided to go with more of a contrast. So you have the beautiful black and white contrast there. So you've got the Veja on the back, you've got the leather sole itself, sorry, the leather upper. The sole is made of rubber. You've got the beautiful V in the black. There's the bottom of the sole. As you can tell, like I said, I've worn them once. You got Veja written on the bottom as well. So I kind of ordered them on a whim on the website, from the website, and they were fine. Like literally, they have been true to size for me, and I love them. And like I said, conclusion, why Veja? Again, because number one, the trainers are so beautiful. I'm actually thinking of getting the ones with the Velcro going across next. I just think they look so cool, like with dresses and stuff, and they're comfortable. So yeah, so I just feel like it's such an ethical brand. It's a fantastic brand. They promote fair trade. They take care of their workers. The pricing is good. It's good quality. It's sustainable fashion. It's something that is helping the environment, and they're thinking about not just today but tomorrow and the future of our children and their children and their children, because we've got to think about what's happening around us too, right? So yeah, that was my mini reveal stroke unboxing of my new pair of Vejatrainers. One last look for you guys, because I know that when I like to have a look at a video, I like to really look at the product, especially if I'm thinking of buying it. So once again for you guys. So yeah, that was my mini little review for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed the video, please will you hit the like and the subscribe button. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to leave a comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions.